Sairam children, welcome to today's GK session. Last time we have completed lesson number 3, 4 and 5. Today we are going to start with lesson number 6, 7 and 8. Now children, open your textbook. Write today's date. So we are going to start with lesson number 6. This were the first. Name the following with the help column given below. Now here the names are displayed on the board. Indira Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay, Colonel Yuri Gagarin, Vasco da Gama, Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes children? Now see here. Now first President of India. You can see the pic here. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Second. Now can you see Chacha Nehru? He was the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. First Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Third. Now can you see the pic? First woman Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Yes children. First woman Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. Fourth. The first man to go into orbit. Now can you see the pic here? Whose pic it is? Yes children. Can you see? He was the first man to go into the orbit. Colonel Yuri Gagarin. The first man to go into orbit is Colonel Yuri Gagarin. Okay. Now these are the men who conquered Mount Everest. The first man to conquer Mount Everest are Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay. The first man to conquer Mount Everest, Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay. Yes children? 6. Now can you see the pic here? The first European traveller to follow the sea route and set foot on Indian soil, Vasco da Gama. The first European traveller to follow the sea route and set foot on Indian soil, Vasco da Gama. So we have completed 6th chapter. Now children, we are going to start with lesson number 7. Find the places. Here are names of some areas in Mumbai and names of some places of interest in these areas. Can you match and mark them children? Yes. Now can you see here in column A, Malabar Hill, Marine Drive, Mahalakshmi, Bandra, Baikala, Churchgate, Parel, Dadar, Borivali, Sahar, Goregaon. Now column B, Mount Mary Church, Race Course, Veer Mata Jijabai Udyan, Tarapurwala Aquarium, Hanging Gardens, Hafkin Institute, International Airport, Wankhede Stadium, R.A. Mill Colony, Shivaji Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Udyan. Okay, we are going to take first 5 match the following. Yes. Now column A, Malabar Hill. Now what you can see in Malabar Hill? That is Hanging Garden. A goes to C. Malabar Hill, Hanging Garden. First goes to C. Now second, Marine Drive. Now what you can see in Marine Drive? Tarapur Wala Aquarium. Marine Drive, Tarapur Wala Aquarium. Second goes to A. Can you see the pic here children? Yes, Marine Drive and Tarapur Wala Aquarium. Third, Mahalakshmi. Now what is in Mahalakshmi, children? Can you tell me? Race course. What is in Mahalakshmi? Race course. Third goes to D. Now fourth, Bandra. Now what you can see in Bandra? What is famous in Bandra? Mount Mary Church. Bandra, Mount Mary Church. Fourth goes to F. Fifth, Baikhala. What you can see in Baikhala, children? Yes, Veer Mata Jijabai Udyan. What you can see in Baikhala? Veer Mata Jijabai Udyan. Fifth goes to B. Now Parel. You can see here Parel. Now what you can see in Parel? Haffkine Institute. Parel Haffkine Institute. Sixth goes to E. Yes, children? Everybody have understood? Now here in column B you can see the names. Now we are going to start with seventh one, that is Dadar. Now what you can see in Dadar, children? Shivaji Park. Dadar, Shivaji Park. Seventh goes to I. 8. Borivali. What you can see in Borivali? Yes, children. Sanjay Gandhi National Udyan. Borivali, Sanjay Gandhi National Udyan. 8 goes to K. Now 9th, Sahar. What you can see in Sahar? International Airport. Sahar International Airport. 9 goes to J. Now Goregaon. What is famous in Goregaon, children? Tell me. R.A. Milk Colony. Goregaon R.A. Milk Colony. 10 goes to G. Yes, children? Churchgate. Yes. What is famous in Churchgate, children? Can you tell me? Wankhede Stadium. Churchgate Wankhede Stadium. 11th goes to H. Yes, children. So we have complete with the 6th and 7th lesson. Now we'll go to the next chapter. That is lesson number 8. Milk for health. Everybody should drink milk. Yes, children. Milk is an important food for us because it strengthens the bones. Camels, reindeer, yaks, cows, sheep, goats, all these animals give milk. People usually drink the milk of animals that are commonly found in their country. Filling the blanks with the correct option. Many things are made from milk. Name any two. Now can you tell me, children, what things are made from milk? Yes, children. Paneer and yogurt. Paneer, yogurt. You can see the pic on the board. Yes, paneer and yogurt. Many things are made from milk. Name any two that are paneer and yogurt. Second, milk is an excellent source of dash. From milk, what you get, children? Calcium. Milk is an excellent source of calcium. Very good. Third, now the process of removing germs from milk is called as, now can you see here, that is called as pasteurization. The process of removing germs from milk is called as pasteurization. Fourth, a cow which is red for its milk is called as a dash cow. Which cow it is called? Milk. A cow which is red for its milk is called as a milk cow. Fifth one, Indian cottage cheese is commonly known as dash. Now can you see your pic? Paneer. Indian cottage cheese is commonly known as paneer. Sixth, Now can you see the here the scientist? Yes, a scientist named Dash found a method by which germs could be removed from milk. A scientist named, which is the scientist? Louis Pasteur found a method by which germs can be removed from milk. A scientist named Louis Pasteur found a method by which germs could be removed from milk. 7. Wow, what is here? You can see ice cream. Ice cream is a favorite frozen dessert made from milk. Ice cream is a favorite frozen dessert made from milk. Yes, children. So we have completed today's 6th, 7th and 8th chapter. Everybody have understood. Bye bye children. Have a great day. Bye.